Hey everybody, this will be the second video of a dedication to George Ramonovich, and I will be carving this first growth Western Red Cedar base for myself in George's honor, because it's freaking cool. That's right. Okay, so this is going to be the staircase all the way around. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut. If I didn't say it, I'm going to cut all this line and then take away this wood so the staircase is exposed. Okay, so here we got so far this cut in. I got this green tape on my finger, if I didn't say, because it just doesn't hurt so much on the finger when you got your handpiece in here. You know, and you hold it like this, you get a big dent in your finger there. Mine's calcified, but it just, when I know I'm going to be carving a lot in one day, I just tape it up, and it sure helps your finger from not hurting. Anyways, so this is all cut in. Okay. So I made it so the front, you see the top of the stairs and you see the end of the stairs, right? Or the path or whatever it's going to be. I carved a deep hole in here because I'm thinking of this piece as, you know, like it's going to be my hand up top holding the thing. This is George's path to get to the top. And I carved this out so I can put a little stool in there or something so George can sit in there before his steep incline to get to the top. He can sit in there and look at the view around. And this, I say in lots of my videos, I'm keeping my carvings myself, but this one, I do sell most of them. This one, 1,000,000% I'm keeping myself, because I'm going to put it where my computer desk is downstairs, and whenever I look at it, I'll see my hand and think how much I love it, and, you know, my life, how awesome it is. And, yeah, it will just, and the path will make me think of George, right? So, but anyways, there's lots more to do. So I think I'm going to put a couple wood spirits in here. I think this is when you kind of let your piece sit there. Even if you got to wait a week to do it, put it somewhere on top of your TV or where you eat your friggin' dinner on the counter or something. I don't know. Think of what you want to do in it, right? There's no hurry. But you know me, I'm always in a hurry. So I'm going to draw a wood spirit on here. There's going to be one right here. Very simple to see. And then I'll have other ones kind of whoosh, twisting around, George. Whoosh. Okay, so you can see I got a line kind of this way. This will be my center line, right? You know, when you guys have your piece aside and you're looking at it, try and figure out and if something speaks to you in the wood, get your pen right away and draw it out, because something did speak to me in this wood, but then I had a bathroom break, and when I came back, it was gone. I forgot. So here's going to be his forehead. Nose is going to be right here. And just give this guy a regular. So his face is this way. His beard's going to come down this way. Make it so it's nothing fancy. I don't know about this lip. I might put a bottom lip there. I might give him the open mouth, like my old Sagan lips. So I'm going to start carving this wood spirit in. And once again, I'm going to be using my Kutzall Extreme Flamer. Okay, bye. So another thing I want to say before I start carving, you see I got his cheeks in there and everything drawn out. But you see the forehead goes to the path. I don't want to take this path any deeper. So this face isn't going to be perfectly 100% symmetrical. So you just, or whatever that friggin' technical word is. Perfect. This face isn't going to be perfect. And no big words here at Carving Fusion. Okay, so there's our first wood spirit. It's a little bit big, I thought, but I stopped carving because when you guys are carving and you're having a good time, but realize sometimes it's good to stop and, what's the word? I don't know, assess the situation. If I said that right. So these, I got this marked out. I want to have these as bricks because George liked to carve bricks. This guy's going to have the hanging lip. I don't know if it should go this way or this way. Anyways, and we'll see what I'm going to carve here. This isn't going to be a really carving video because there's too much to show what's going on. But I'll just show you guys what's kind of going on, I guess. If you guys want to learn to carve a wood spirit, kind of a simple style like this, I have tutorials in my playlist, like a five video series how I carve wood spirit. I still got to make an upgraded one for this year. But anyways, that's it so far. Okay, it's slowly getting there. I gotta do one more wood spirit right here, or a face, so it doesn't have to be a wood spirit. Still tons more work to do. Yep. So I'm gonna get this wood spirit or face carved in, and then I'm gonna start doing the bricks, I guess. I still got tons of detail. Yeah, this is a lot of carving. Sure is, yep. Okay, so this is going to be it for today for me carving. It's been a lot of that's a lot of carving. I got the stairs kind of blocked in there. A lot of cleaning up to do. Everything needs to be cleaned up. I got to wood burn this whole thing. All these are going to be bricks here. Bricks. Any smooth area, you're going to see bricks. Bricks. So that's day one. That's about 4 hours carving for me. And this is going to be all one video. So we'll be back tomorrow to do more.